What's up, guys? So hey, we got a special delivery here. Let me show it to you. I have not opened this yet, although I have put stuff on top of it. So off-road use only, this side up. Of course, when it was delivered, it wasn't that side up. I should open this thing sooner. Yeah, you'll see. How'd you know that? I didn't put it in the box.
You did?
All right, I'll get it open. All right, so this is a little beefier than I thought it was gonna look so far.
Is it my motorcycle? Is it my motorcycle?
It could be. So we are unveiling this right now.
Is it mine?
You guys could probably ride it.
Is it quiet?
I don't know. Check this thing. Oh, look at this little Temu bike. Oh my goodness. Huh. Little mixture thing. Oh yeah, got a tool kit. All right, let's get this thing pulled out. Check this out. Of all the people helping me, Sarah's helping me. We're putting this together, putting it together. And Sarah's over here helping me. And Andrew's over there. So, you just never know. Yep, keep pulling it. Good job. Alright, we'll get the rest of this on and see what happens. Alright guys, so these little Temu bikes don't come like, well, they just come a little messed up. Of course, 250 bucks, what do you expect? So I've not even started it yet. I just put some gas in it. It is put together complete here. The front wheel bearings, I think, are just shot as it is. So that's on loosely. These, I don't know, to me it looks like it's upside down, but there's no way to take it off. Let's pull this whole thing off, so I just left it like that. I have not started it. I haven't even stuck the key in this thing yet. Alright, there it is. I think that's it. Fuel on. Oh, this thing looks so janky. I don't even know. Oop. Doesn't even have an on or off switch. Oh. I would think that was off, but hey, what do I know? Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, it fired. It was like a normal weed eater. That's awesome. I think sounds healthy. It's idling too. Smoking, so I must have mix in it. Let's do the mailbox scam. Oh, already died. The gas was right. Let's check that little beast out. Holy cow. If this thing runs for a week, I think it's worth 250 bucks. Well, first impressions is kid probably won't get hurt on it. Let's see if it starts back up. Better go check all my bolts before I go around the block. Well, that thing is already cooler than I thought it would be. And it matches some of the bikes we have. And the bikes we have back there. It is smoking now. Hopefully that's not because I just smoked the engine on it. But there it is. That's the Temu $250 with a $100 reimbursement pit bike. I guess I did forget to mention that part. Why I bought this thing. So I seen it on Temu, and they said, so buy something and get a $100 reimbursement. And these things popped up. I said, well, if I buy that, they're going to give me $100 supposedly. Fine, I'll just buy one of these things, and that makes it $150. And how can you turn down a Weedeater pit bike for $150? I don't know. So we'll see if I get that $100 reimbursement. But until then, hey, it runs, it rides, and I think we'll have a little bit of fun with this thing. And worst case scenario, you pay $250 or $150 and you learn a lesson, right? Either way, we're going to learn something. Thanks for watching. As always, God bless. So how long do you think this thing's going to last?